were 22 new cases of COVID-19 reported in the state today, bringing the statewide total to 1,264 cases. The silver lining is that 99% of those who've tested positive for the virus have recovered. 19 of today's new cases are on Oahu. And with cases recently increasing, Honolulu Mayor Kirk Caldwell is looking at ways to curb the spread of the virus. The latest course of action, cutting back hours at bars and cabarets. Jen Boniza has more.
Mayor Kirk Caldwell says he's been hearing complaints that people aren't following COVID-19 guidelines in bars. Tuesday, Governor David Ige signed off on a plan outlining stricter rules that would also shut down bars for not complying with protocol. Bars and nightclubs on Oahu have been back open for just a few weeks and already facing more restrictions amid the spike in cases of COVID-19.
So that we can pull back from 4 o'clock for cabarets and 2 o'clock for bars to midnight.
Mayor Caldwell says bars do not have to close at midnight, but do have to stop serving alcohol at or before 12 a.m. His request comes after hearing troubling news.
We're getting more and more complaints, and our Liquor Commission has been going out and inspecting and seeing in certain situations hundreds of people at bars practicing no physical distancing, wearing no face coverings, and dancing close together.
The proclamation also gives the HPD or the Liquor Commission authority to shut a bar down for non-compliance. The emergency order states any bar that does not enforce wearing face coverings, social distancing, and rules pertaining to singing and dancing shall be subject to immediate closure for a 24-hour period. Bar owners could also be fined or have their liquor license suspended or revoked.
For those who violate, it's the bar owner who suffers the consequences because a bar is shut down for 24 hours, and there's an economic impact to that.
Many in the industry say it will hurt business.
Closing down early, it's affecting us as workers just because this is where we make our tips and our money mostly.
We will see an impact because we have to close earlier, which means last calls earlier, and we don't get certain crowds that come out at that time, which is usually industry. So we definitely will feel it.
Duke's general manager, Kaylee Govea, says he also understands why the new guidelines are being put in place.
I think we all have to do our part to maintain it. If the government needs to, or the Liquor Commission needs to shut people down to send a message, then I guess they have to do that.
According to Caldwell's office, the new rules are now in effect. Jen Boniza, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.